Shalom, call halal, Yahawah, BAHASHAM, YAHAWASHI, BAHASHAM, QADASH. Let's give all praise to the Most High, name His only begotten Son, name of the Holy Spirit. Double honors to our teachers, the elders, and apostles of Great Millstone who taught us His truth and sincerity. Peace and salutations to the hopeful elect scattered abroad. Shalom to 144,000. My name is Ibar from the Prophets in Babylon camp down here in Tampa, Florida. And real quick, I want to go into this video about what's going on down in South Florida. What's going on down in South Florida? You got you got rain. We've been getting a lot of rain the past couple of days, which is good because we haven't been getting any rain. And now it was too much rain, I guess you could say, and especially in South Florida. I'm here in Central Florida, but in South Florida, you got floods. Flash floods. A lot of things going on. This is from the brothers of Doc. You see his channel. Or watch and subscribe. Brother always do some YAHAWAH videos. But I want to play this video that he did, or this video that he spoke about. But it was right after I watched this video, or right before I watched this video. I'm at my job and they had a meeting, all right, concerning the hurricanes, because here we are coming to hurricane season, and they said how this hurricane season is going to be a real bad hurricane season. They're saying they're expecting at least 15 big storms, or at least 30 storms, with at least 15 being major storms. All right, with the conditions, with the heat, it's a lot hotter this year. With the water and stuff like that, it's all the recipe for major storms. So they're saying it's gonna be major storms this year down here in the South in Florida. In that region. And this is YAHAWASHI, man. The Lord's about to speed things up and amp things up. He's just about to just get rid of a lot of people. A lot of people are gonna be unalived in these storms and stuff. And this is why you gotta fear YAHAWASHI. But let me start off with Isaiah chapter 29 verse 6. It says, "Thou shalt be visited of Yahawah of hosts with thunder and with earthquake and great noise, with storm and tempest and the flame of devouring fire." So this is how the Lord is about to visit you people. All right, let's play it.
At a state of emergency as Florida is flooded with heavy rainfall. Roads have been turned into rivers. People have left their homes and abandoned their vehicles. Residents have been told to prepare as 30 inches of rainfall could hit the state.
Did you guys see what happened to South Florida? You would think this was a hurricane the way it struck, y'all. They're calling this a life-threatening emergency. Fort Lauderdale had to declare a state of emergency, y'all. I'm talking about 10 to 20 inches of rain, and it's not even over yet. Check this out.
We begin tonight with the life-threatening conditions in Florida at this hour. A flash flood emergency after torrential rains. Several inches already, up to 20 inches could fall during this storm. Treacherous driving on I-95 near Miami. Visibility near zero right there. Part of that major highway shut down for a time. Sarasota tonight underwater. 4 inches of rain in just 1 hour. This fire truck right here barely making its way through.
Hey, and we got brothers down there, man. We got brothers in Fort Lauderdale. We got brothers in Sarasota. So hey, and through the spirit of Yahawah, I shot those brothers good. But it's only going to get worse. So gird up. I'm speaking to you brothers down here in Florida.
Tornado warnings with destructive winds bringing trees down in Martin County north of West Palm Beach. The rain and the winds causing airport delays and cancellations. More than 1,000 flights canceled or delayed at airports in South Florida. We're also tracking this storm, not over yet, and the extreme heat moving into the east, potentially record high temperatures up and down the East Coast. ABC's Victor Kendall.
Hey, you got a house that has a lot of trees around it, especially older trees. A real bad storm can come in that tree. A tree can fall on your house, man. I don't see us getting crazy floods because it is Florida. It's a tropical state. And it rains all the time, but you may go days without electricity. A damn tree can fall on your house. Like I said, you could be sitting on the couch or laying in your bed and a tree fall in your house, and a lot of people die like that too. So hey, this is the judgment of YAHAWASHI coming upon the earth.
Leading us off from Miami tonight.
Tonight, sheets of torrential rain, flooding roads, stranding vehicles, inundating the Sunshine State. A flash flood emergency north of Miami. The National Weather Service warning of life-threatening conditions. 4 to 6 inches of rain in an hour in spots.
It's all just lining up like train on a tracks going over the same areas over and over again.
Part of Interstate 95, that major north-south artery, shut down due to flooding. Crews using vacuum trucks racing to clear.
Oh, and we know Esau, he has his heart, you know, he has the capability to create storms and stuff, but we know it's all through the spirit of YAHAWASHI, because he can't do nothing without it being the will of YAHAWASHI. So this man may very well, you know, create some crazy storms this year, and the Lord is going to allow it. He's going to sanction it to happen so that, you know, those lives can be taken back to the spirit world. All right. So it just shows you we come to these end times, like the movie Geostorm. It showed you how, you know, they had all these different, you know, natural disasters, which was really been fueled by that HARP shit, but a bunch of different natural disasters, and you know, it was bad. It was getting, you know, crazy. You know, I saw a video maybe a couple weeks ago about a hailstone that was like the size of a boulder, man. You know, it was a hailstone that came through somebody's garden, and this thing was like, you know, I mean, I'm trying to think of what can I describe the size as, but you know, I really can't. All right, but it was a size like, now Lord, I can go into that too. I had saved it, never got a chance to go into it, but this is that time. Okay, this is that time where the Lord is about to really start amping things up. You know,
Debris from storm drains across the area. Driving simply treacherous.
Could not see behind me or in front of me, so I need to drive very slow.
Air travel snarled. More than 1,000 flights delayed or canceled entirely at South Florida airports. The system fueled by tropical moisture, even spawning a tornado warning in Martin County. High winds taking out huge trees. It's been pouring all over the state for days. This fire truck barely making it down the street in Sarasota after nearly 8 inches fell there, nearly 4 coming in just 1 hour. Experts say our changing climate is causing rainfall events like these to become more frequent and more intense.
David, we're near downtown Miami where the water keeps on rising. Here it's almost up to my knees, but it only gets worse further down the street where all these cars are flooded. You can also see that school bus. This is not over yet. Let's go to the map. All of South Florida is under a flood watch through at least tomorrow. Up to 10 inches of additional rain possible through Saturday. And we're also tracking the heat that's building.
Hey, and we've been getting a lot of rain, you know, up here in Tampa. You know, like for weeks, you know, without, if not months, has been very little rain to no rain at all. Like my yard was completely dry, but it rained the other day, really, and I guess that's where this is coming from. And it was like floods all in the yard, and now the grass is growing again. You know, so we in that time in the summer down here in Florida, it rains damn near every single day. It may rain for 2 minutes, it's gonna rain every single day in the summer. And here we are, you know, coming into the summer, you know, damn near into the summer. And yeah, you know, everything is just getting worse as time goes on, so these storms are going to get worse.
In the east, mid to upper 90s from the southeast up to the mid-Atlantic by Friday. Now, just north of us in Fort Lauderdale, they have declared a state of emergency. When all is said and done here, some areas could see up to 20 inches of rain.
Crazy thing is, I used to live in South Florida, and they're talking.
Look at all this water. I'm so happy I got a Jeep, y'all. That's the only way I'm able to make it through this type of storm. I need to get some bigger tires, because if we was to have a real bad hurricane, we would not survive. Do y'all see this? This is ridiculous. Look at these cars. Oh my gosh. No, for real. Come on, God. I know you gotta do what you gotta do, but dang. Woo! My sister and my brother, they about to come. They gotta literally walk through this water. This is crazy. Oh my.
Right. So you see Jake. She said, "Come on, God. I know you gotta do what you gotta do." And she was right. You know, the Lord is doing this, but Jake think everything for a joke. But the Lord is doing this, man. All right, and it's only going to increase. It's only going to get worse. Let's bring that back. Isaiah chapter 29, verse 6. Thou shalt be visited of the Lord YAHAWAH. of hosts with thunder and with earthquake and great noise. When we had that earthquake over there in the tri-state area a couple months ago, you know, and with great noise, with storm and tempest and the flame of devouring fire. And this is what you're seeing right here, storm and tempest. You know, knocking down trees, you know, flooding people's cars, you know, people's cars stalling in the middle of, you know, a flood, knee high or knee deep water. You got people's houses being flooded. All right. So, luck you. Let's go to Isaiah. Isaiah chapter 28, verse 2. Behold, the Lord hath a mighty and strong one, which as a tempest of hail and a destroying storm, as a flood of mighty waters overflowing, shall cast down to the earth with the hand. And you got certain storms that, you know, that you got destroying storms. You know, you got overflowing waters, you know, mighty waters overflowing, floods, you see? So all these things are done at the hand of the Most High, all right? And the Lord, you know, is you know, seeking to destroy you. This is the way he can destroy you. It says, Nahum chapter 1, verse 3, the Lord Yahawah is slow to anger and great in power, and will not at all acquit the wicked. The Lord Yahawah hath his way in the whirlwind, a tornado, and in the storm, and the clouds are the dust of his feet. You see? So Yahweh BAHASHAM Yahawashi is the one that's doing all this, man. He rebuketh the sea and maketh it dry. He drieth up all the rivers. Bashan languisheth, and Carmel, and Carmel and the flower of Lebanon languisheth. All right, but the point is that the Lord is the one that's doing this, man. Okay? And Yahweh BAHASHAM Yahawashi is to be feared. See, people think that the Most High is a game. He's all love because of this, you know, Christian stuff they done taught you. Look, the Lord is to be feared, man. All right? He could jack you up and turn your life inside out. All right? It says, Ezekiel 13:13, therefore thus saith the Lord, Yahweh BAHASHAM Yahawashi, I will even rend it with a stormy wind and my fury. You see? So the Lord can show his fury in a storm. And there shall be an overflowing shower in mine anger, and great hailstones in my fury to consume it. So these are just examples of what the Lord can do when he's pissed off, when he has that anger. The Lord can jack you up. Okay? The Lord can jack you up, man. He can send a storm where you got angels in them storms, man. I've seen videos of tornadoes. It was like 3 tornadoes, and it was chariots in the midst of them, you know? I remember the last hurricane that came, you know, we had lost electricity for a little bit. Nothing too major, you know. Some branches fell off the trees or whatever. But I remember I opened that door in the middle of the night. You know, my damn woman was terrified. But I opened the door in the middle of the night, and I was just, you know, looking at the storm, and you can hear a whoo. It sounded like it was a spirit in that storm, which we know it was. It was a spirit in that storm, man. But those winds were so powerful and strong, you can hear it. You can hear it cutting through the air, cutting through the trees, and it was making like a terrifying noise. All right, but that's the reality. That's the God that we serve. That's Yahweh BAHASHAM Yahawashi that's doing all that, man. All right, let me grab that. Lock you. About that time. It says, this is Isaiah chapter 47, chapter 45, verse 7. I form the light and create darkness. I make peace and create evil. I, the Lord Yahweh BAHASHAM Yahawashi, do all these things. So the Lord is the one that's doing these things. Whether it's good or bad, the Lord does it, man. All right, and this is why you got to fear Yahweh BAHASHAM Yahawashi. so that you don't get caught up in this judgment. Just go to Deuteronomy 32 verse 39. See now that I, even I, am He, and there is no God with me. I kill and I make alive. I wound and I heal. Neither is there any that can deliver out of my hand. Right. So when the Lord got it out for you, ain't nothing you can do, man. You got people that's, more than likely drowning in these, storms, Who knows what people going through. But that's BAHASHAM YAHAWASHI that's doing it. That's his judgment. All right? Like I said, you could be sitting in your house on your couch, and a damn tree can fall through your house, man. Tear your whole roof in. It's pretty miserable, when you don't have any electricity, it knock out your lights, and it could be for days, if not weeks, with no electricity. So, hey, man, it's just a quick one in the spirit. I praise edifying the full elect. But fear Yahweh BAHASHAM YAHAWASHI. Like I said, my job just told me, and they never do that. They never done it before, where they gave us we had a whole meeting about hurricanes, and they were saying how, the people, I guess, or this, the forecasters are saying that this is going to be a year with very, very, very bad hurricanes. They said about 30 serious. They expected about 30 serious hurricanes, and at least 15 of them, or half of them, are going to be major hurricanes. All right, so hey, prepare. Gird up, get ready. This is going to be a bumpy road in these last days. It's going to be a bumpy transition from this kingdom to the kingdom that we all are longing and seeking for. With that being said, I'm going to say shalom, kwam shalom, love, baba, praise, blessings, be edifying to the whole full. Shalom.